What do you mean no? There we go. You guys are mean. Hello everyone. I'm skidding vape right now. So true. Anyway. What is that wallpaper? I don't know. Random. Oh, what the heck? Come on. True, I am skidding today. We skid. We are major skidding. What am I typing? I just woke up. I'm typing some garbage. Anyway, does state spoofer work for you? I don't know. Frox changed the packet. Bye. Alright. Okay. So I was working on some stuff yesterday. Uh, so we got categories kinda. We got our buttons. Got our components. They're kinda working. What will be recoded? What do you mean, what will be recoded? It's just general cleanup around UI code, that's all. What will be recoded, bro? I'm crying. Yeah, I made it so clicking this removes the bind. I kinda need to add the text today, but I also need to make this automatically resize because it did not automatically resize, it's just there. And also draggables do not work yet. I just did not fix draggables. Oh. Hello. Okay. I got interrupted. My apologies. We are back. Alright. Easy that GG Raiders has he broke his contact. True. Anyway, we're back. So, yeah, I got a couple things done, per se. Just need to work on more, I guess. I could do, what is it? Overlays. I don't really care about overlays, though. I'm trying to, maybe category list, actually? Maybe I could get category list done. I forgot what category list was. There was some crap, but trying to think of what I'm trying to do right now, you know? What was I doing? Because I just started and now my mind has gone blank, and now I'm trying to figure out what I was working on before this. I mean, I could probably get font size. I'd probably call it get font bounds, but I don't know. Why are we recoding GUI? What do you mean recoding, like, why? It's like, why do you have to ask why? It's like, bro, you don't have to ask a why, it's just that I'm doing it. Yeah, so... That is so loud. There we go. Okay. Perfect. There we go. Should fix that, hopefully. Let's see if this works. Yeah. Oh, no. It ain't working at all. I mean, this is like temporary, Here we go. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Whoops. A bit silly. Yeah, I wonder why that didn't work. There we go. Alright, that's working better. Zog's probably just ignored us because we probably thought we were warping. Whenever anyone complains about lag, it's like, it's not my problem, bro. I don't care. You can yap all you want, but that's not my fault. YouTube would be complaining if it was my fault, which it's not. So cope's harder. I don't care. Not my fault if YouTube decides to just kill my stream for whatever reason. I'm just gonna, instead of in mods, I'm just gonna do not props. There we go. There we go. Oops, that's the wrong script. A bit stupid. There we go. Alright. What VS Code theme do you use? Default. No, I'm pretty sure it's like Dracona Dark or something. What was it? Dark Modern, that's what I use. It's Dark 2026. I don't know if I like that any better. I'm just gonna do Dark Modern. I don't use the other one. Please, test my anti-cheat, please. I don't care. My mind is blanking because I'm trying to figure out what I'm coding. Dark Visual Studio. All these just look pretty balls. Ah! Yeah, ESP is not working on the rewrite. Now tell me, is that an issue with my script or is that an issue with your executor? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe you should ponder on that thought for a while, you know? I don't know. Probably just gonna make this a toggle instead, like is hold or something. Or hold, yeah. I'm just gonna make it hold. Okay. Ain't you say you're gonna make a rewrite? This is a rewrite. I am redoing some of the GUI code. That's what we're doing. What, you think just because I'm not typing every little thing by hand, even though I don't need to? Is like, why? Why would you care? I forgot what I was doing. I keep having an issue. I guess I'm gonna try and make settings pane. I guess we're gonna try and bring the settings pane back. Settings pane. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Because I want to make the settings pane a component. I don't want to have to do whatever. Because there's like create settings pane or whatever. Create settings divider. Wow, that's some good code. I don't need this code anymore. So it's mainly just this that I would technically need. I don't really have a close or the back button, but it's fine. Ah, it's this theme. forgot how a divider worked. It's like setting children. I guess this has a custom position. That wouldn't work. No, the music is gone. No. Heck because of that. But now what I could do is like I could do API create GUI button, right? I see. Yeah, this is gonna require some poop code. That's gonna be lovely. When I write this code and I have to do it like that. What are these toggles? Huh? Oh, this is overlay bar. Ah, okay. I'm just trying to read my old code base. That's what this has devolved into. Where I just try and read. I'm gonna say props dot main and this, or I'm gonna have to make the back have a callback too. Lovely. Then I'm just gonna do it at the bottom. I'm gonna do if API or props.main, then we're going to put our little settings version in here. I'm gonna change this to pane, add corner pane. Okay. Version label, sure. F for font face. There we go. And now I just need to make these buttons actually do something. They're gonna be lovely, so I have to collapse these. Actually, we have to do this. Type goes settings pane. Wait, I'm gonna have to save these. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna have to figure out saving logic for these. I wonder how I save it in here, because I have to save it in here somehow. I don't really care about that. These are fine. I mean, I guess this could work, probably. Actually, thinking about it, hey, maybe this would work. I need the object. Here. GUI. Okay. Local settings pane equals components dot oh, actually, I guess this does set parent. Oh, wait, how is this gonna work? What does this get parented to? Oh, it gets parented to window? Oh, boy. Hmm. Alright, let's see if this works. I've written some trash. Let's see if this actually works. What are your thoughts on Madam? Bad. Ah, I see. That doesn't like me. Ah. There we go. Ah, piss. What? Oh, close doesn't exist yet. Whoops. I mean, it's almost there. Almost. You know? It's kinda working. So what did I do wrong here? Is it just the positioning? Because the title should be correct. Ah, I see how it's calculated. Oh. I really did that. Okay. Fair enough. Go! Yeah, there we go. So let's, should I try create stuff in the settings pane? I don't know. I don't know how I even create objects in the settings pane, because you have create settings pane, yeah. Ah, that's how I did it. I mean, eh. I'm pretty sure it should work actually. Oh, wait a second. Oh, wait. I don't think that will work actually. Poo. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe this should work. Actually, let's try. Components dot create GUI button and name equals props dot name function equals function, and we're just gonna do pane visible, yeah, and then we need this to be settings children and component. Let's see if this works. And now we need to go into init, and we want to do vape.categories. What is it? Main? Something. Vape components.category. Oh, it's main. Create settings pane. Name equals hello. Hello. Yeah, sure. Okay, go. Let's go. Thank you. Ah. Create settings pane is missing. Oh, crate. I spelled it with crate. Yeah, I want to create settings pane too. I agree. You just create it. Crate. I love. Okay. Ah. Time to kill, create new value. Oh. I'm a bit silly. I forgot how my code work. I mean, I do also need to plop this in. There we go. Attempt to iterate over no value. What for? Why? What did you try and create? Why? Why did you die? This call stack is useless. This is not where it's being called, though. Huh? Ow, wait. No, but I have options, right? Oh, I guess I have options in here. It will say properly anyway, but like when I go in here. Ah. Well, that's a bra moment. Who coded this? Fine. Yeah, sure, I guess. Sure. Whatever. Alright. Go. Well, I don't see the button here. I don't know about you, but I don't see the button here. That's lovely. You coded it. I know I made it, but... Dang, this crap sucks. Why is it in buttons anyway? I mean, I guess, yeah, that's why I did it like that, but... Yeah, okay, so... My thing didn't work for some reason. I don't understand why. Why? Oh, this is for the new pane. Oh, that's why. Okay, I understand why now. I just have to replace this with API create GUI button. I mean, that's not exactly what I'm going for. I don't know, man. I don't think that's working. I see. Yeah, I see why it don't work now. This is not the best way of doing this, but you know what? There we go. Alright, go my code. Please work. Please, I pray. Okay, we have our button. Click. It's working! It's working! Oh my gosh! It's crazy. It's a bit of a meme, but you know what? It's working. That's all you have to care about. I'm just gonna call it like component.settings, honestly. What am I doing? I forgot. Oh yeah, I need to go to the init. There we go. So yeah, we have our thing now. And we should be able to do vape.categories.main .settings create bind name equals rebind UI. And if I have coded this correctly, this should mean I have the bind in here now. Yeah, there we go. Oh no, it's not lined up. That is not lined up and it looks like garbage. Okay. I mean, it's kind of there. It's working. Definitely need to make a default bind, but we're getting there. So we kind of have our settings pane working. I guess I should do some vape comparisons. Let me open up here. I call it pane, not panel. I mean, panel would work too, but I call it pane. I don't care. Yeah, now the problem is that this text ain't lined up for crap. I mean... This guy's complaining about ESP. Like, what do you mean? This guy's yapping. Like, ESP isn't lined up. Like, what? An IQ too high? I don't know. Okay. Yeah, like all of these are lined up. Ah, they are aligned differently. You bum. Thank you, Manphy. Yeah, whatever, bro. Hmm. What am I doing? It is Rebind GUI. Ah, these can have tooltips. I will have to fix that as well. Shift click to modify bind functionality. For real. Aw. Hmm. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was going here. Okay, yeah, but I don't care about this. Create settings pane. Okay, but how does this work? Because this don't look right. Did I have like a, not that component, but like, how does this work? Cause like, oh, is the button create up here? Oh, here it is. Okay, and it uses this. Okay. So we're just gonna go in here and we're gonna do, this is the best fix to the issue. I don't know what you're talking about. I create like the bottom, didn't I? Yeah. Oh, actually I passed in window, I guess. I could probably just do that. Props.window. Okay. There we go. Alright, cool. Most lazy ball fix, but you know what? Who cares anymore? There we go. Now it's aligned. Now the thing is, I don't think scaling works properly yet, but it's fine. Let's try and create some vape toggles, because I'm pretty sure toggles will work just fine. So, what was I doing? Because, let's say I want to create the panes in old vape real quick. Or, not old vape. Why am I calling it old vape? This is not old. It's just slightly outdated. Whatever. Yeah, like, this code should work technically. Like, if I just copied this code, and then I go to my init, and then I just, I pasted this in, and instead of main, it's main dot settings. Like if I just slapped this in, and then I opened up my crap, and then I do this, this should just work out of the box and I don't have to do anything. And no, it died. Oh, it's trying to index main API. That doesn't exist anymore. Okay. There we go. Go. Ah, come on. What? Oh, add tooltip is not a member button. Yeah, add tooltip is not there yet. They do not have tooltips. I will have to figure out how I'm gonna do tooltips. There we go. Yeah, so now we got our general category back. See how it compares to real vape. Cause like, I don't know if the positioning of the button's different. Oh, looks like the sizing is a bit different now. But yeah, and then you click general and yeah. Of course, we don't have the X. Brother, read your server chat, please. What's going on in there? Is it AIDS? Where rival support? I don't care. I don't know how I'm gonna do saving. That's the funny part. But basically, I need to make it so like that when you click it, it has the little X or whatever, which is what I need to do. Which I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but cause I could do I could set like a variable called like binding in here or whatever in the component, just like component.binding, and then it will just make the label visible. I don't know how I want to do this. Wait. But is this the label then? Because it seems like it resizes to a smaller size. Because I'm just gonna probably use icon, to be honest. Because I think icon would be easier. How would I do this? I could do like component.binding and or that. And where's the close icon? I searched up like close mini. I guess I'll try close mini. I'm gonna try close mini. Yeah, component.binding equals true. And then if I call set bind, then we're just gonna set this to no. There we go. Let's see how that looks. Piss. What? I copy pasted the wrong thing. Yeah, I'm like, why no working? Yeah, why no working, Xylix? I don't know. I mean, I guess it shows up. Doesn't really return the icon and tell you, it's a bit tiny. Okay, I'm gonna replace it with close instead of close mini, to be honest. I also need to make it return to, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I mean, I could just do, I could be lazy. I keep copy pasting the wrong script, I'm dumb. There we go. That's a bit better. I guess it's a bit better. It's kind of working now. Yeah, now you just click on the X to unbind. There you go. That's better. Somewhat. Doop 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 do 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 boop 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 do 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 Guess we could try creating category list or whatever now, whatever that is. It's like category list, this. Oh my gosh. How much stuff am I gonna need to do? Oh, because this is an entire, like, do 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 do. Let me just skid everything and just slap it in here. It's probably gonna error. Yeah, blur check does not exist. Should probably comment that out. There we go. Go. No. Oh, tooltip. Come on. Work. I'ma type this one last time, he says. Let's spam me in chat. So true. I swear I'm just gonna add the add tooltip method so this thing can stop complaining every time. Why can this not find it? Oh, apparently it's just there. Okay, sure. I'm just gonna make it a blank method so it just stops complaining. There we go. Go, and... But yes, it's my own thing for the person in chat who's talking about it. Oh, it doesn't exist. Wait. Oh, that's why. Oh. That got nuked. Come on, respond. I already said it's my own thing, yes. Goodbye. Oh no. What happened? Man, that's kind of large, man. What happened? I don't know how that happened, but it's ruined everything apparently. Interesting. Very interesting. It's resized the entire GUI. Why? Why has it done that? But windowless is parented to children. Why? But all these settings panes and whatever shouldn't be parented to children, so why is that a thing? I have done something horribly wrong and now my code hates me. I don't understand why this is resizing, because this should be separate from that. Yeah, why though? Why does it make all the buttons look like AIDS? Okay, but why? This doesn't make sense to me because it's definitely the settings pane at fault. But why though? API parent or children? That should fix it. Okay, go. It still looks awful, and it doesn't work. Alright. Okay, wait, what is it finding, though? Why is it like this everywhere? What? No. Oh, wait, I think I know why. I don't think it's a problem with my code. I think it's how it's working. That can return back to normal. I think the problem is not this or whatever. I think the problem is, My code for rescaling is trying to rescale right now, even though it's not in here, so I have to comment this out. There we go. Alright, there we go. That should fix it. Because I'm like, what the heck? Why is it doing that? Oh. I mean, okay, but no. Why is it cut off? I mean, it's almost there, but not quite. Why is it cut off? Or why does it look like that? Okay, why is it cut off like that though? Will this be paid? No, of course not. Not selling this. Okay, it's this. Okay, this has UI corner, and I guess children just takes the priority. I guess I need to properly size this, as it looks like, yeah, it does 1 minus 57, which, yeah, that makes sense. Ah, it doesn't have its own sizing. How am I gonna fix that? Oh, boy. This doesn't have its own sizing, so it doesn't work as independently as it should be. Oh, it's this music, of course. I don't know how I'm gonna fix this, because the issue is the settings pane doesn't have, like, the ability to resize larger than this. I'm gonna have to remake this code, probably. Oh wow, that looks not much better actually. What is this? Let's see if I can code. Let's see if this hack fix will work. Come on. Come on, let's do this. Come on. Hack fix. There we go. Alright, it does resize now. Restart the update. They updated Roblox Studio? No. What if they push today? I mean, it is Wednesday. I wonder if they have the patch notes out. I love that I just have Minecraft running in the background. Like, I don't exactly care about it. I just have it there. I want to see what Roblox added. Come on, let's... Okay, I think I might need to close Minecraft for now. I also need to add this, the hidden module editor. We'll get to that bridge when we come around it. Dev form. What has Roblox added? Is that an aquarium? No, it's my fish tank. Doesn't look like they added anything. Setup, RVX. What have they updated? They pushed something. Is it this update? This doesn't look right. No, this looks old. Boo. Whatever, dog. Okay, no, it's not here yet. No update. Fine. I don't know if scaling works either, but you know. I am sleepy. I forgot what I was gonna do. I could try fully implementing binds, but I don't have many games anymore, so this could just be that. I could try doing the monstrous task of adding category lists. I guess we're gonna try. There's so much code. Oh, this uses that. Okay, I see. Windowless 2. Some of these names are so goofy, bro. Yeah, yeah. Cursed padding, that's my favorite. I love cursed padding. Okay, how do I... how is it created here? It's like the same code except this is Vape now. There we go. So let's see if category lists work now. Which means we're just gonna go into here, and we're just gonna get a bit of this, you know. And I put it above GUI settings, or module settings. Well, let's see if this works. First try. Come on, code. Come on, slop. Work. No. Oh, that's why. Come on, code. Work. Go. Alright. No. Attempt to index method create category list is missing. Why? Oh. Right, it's like component dot category list now. I see. Right, yeah, I created it like that. Okay. Alright, go, my new code. Run! Go! No! Get font size is no longer a thing. Where is this thing called? Oh. Alright, go. Come on. Nope. Wait. Where? What is this? Color slider? Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, bro. What? Man, I hate this. I can't search in here for some reason. Really? That's like the only place where it's used? Okay, I guess. I don't know about that one. I may have done a bit of an oopsie. Whoopsie. Yeah, I think that works. There we go. I mean, I can't drag it, but yeah, this should work. Uh-oh. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't exist anymore. I mean, first replace this, and then, oh, that's all I had to do. Oh, okay, here we go. Go. Come on, man. No. Oh. Yeah, fair enough. I don't have update GUI yet. Yeah, I just don't have that yet, so it doesn't like it. I need to clean up the code for this, though. Ah, that's not working right. Should probably fix that. Why is it like one line? This font rendering PMO, bro. Yeah, the rainbow table doesn't exist. I need to redo the rainbow code as well, but yeah. And the profiles window just doesn't work, which, yeah, okay, whatever. Why is the font rendering like this anyway? Yeah, I guess color slider, get font bounds. That does not work though. Cause this should work. Title dot text. Title dot text size. Title dot font face. I'm not sure why this wouldn't work. Cause this should work, but it didn't. Maybe the font face was wrong, so it just died. Uh, there we go. Okay. Yeah. There we go. You're making headway as I slowly redo this code. Why is your mic volume so low? No, it's not. Sometimes the music's a bit loud. I tried to turn it down, but yeah. Hmm. Guess I'll try and clean up this code a bit. Um. Did I accidentally nuke my general settings? I guess I did. Nice. What is this a remix? I don't remember this being in the. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I'm gonna put these in do blocks. I think it would maybe look a bit better. I'm not sure though. Yeah, I think putting them in do blocks is a bit better. I mean, some don't even need, or putting this in a do block would make it look better. Just trying to clean up the code in some ways to make it look less bad. There we go. Just some spacing all around. Yes. Why are people glazing AI in chat? No, AI is best. I pay $232 a month plan. Like, what are we doing? I just feel like I lose brain cells. Yeah, we're getting ever so closer as I continue writing code. I guess I have to redo my category list though, code. I want to rechange this to value. Maybe entry would be better. I'm not sure. Why is this ind instead of index? Some of this code just feels like it came from the Twilight realm like ages ago. Oh, binding. Oh, binding for profiles. Oh no, that's gonna be so AIDS. I forgot about that. Yeah, that's fine. Is I used anywhere or do I just have it? I assume it's used somewhere. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo this code. I don't know how much I'll have to redo it by, but yeah, binds won't like save like that anymore. I'm gonna have to do some encoding to make this work. Val, hold up. Where is lowercase? Oh, great. I just want to make sure there's no more of a whatever. No, okay, that's that. Okay. Enable the, I'm gonna have to redo some of this code probably. Maybe I should just leave this for later and go work on some other stuff. Maybe I should attempt to finish the rest of the rest of the bind logic. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Stop talking about AI, I'm just a coder. Because the thing about this bind thing, right, is I need the event now. Like, I need to figure out how I'm gonna make an event, which is gonna be AIDS. Could just construct my own event class, but that's just like bad. Because I don't really have a signal class, so I'm gonna have to do this like this. This is gonna be man, this sucks. I guess I'll put it in here. It's like the most AIDS way of doing it, but we're gonna try. Because if I do this right, and then I do in my init where I create the bind, I'm gonna do local bound. This is just for testing. Like I want it to be like this, you know, where. Let's see if this works, because I don't know if it will. Because I just coded my own crappy signal library in like 2 seconds. Okay. Great. Alright, it doesn't work. Nice. Why not? It's in here. Attempt to index nil with connect. Okay. But it is returned. Why? What did I do wrong? Oh. I see why it didn't work. Yeah, okay. I'm a bit stupid. I ran out of music. Oh, I was like, what is all of this? Nintendo Radio 24/7. Alright. What is this music? Alright. So if I rebind this, that does not work. Not work at all. Why not? Cause this should have fired. So why did it not fire? Why when I rebind it though? It should... I just don't understand why this didn't work. Oh, my code to call it disappeared. That's why it wasn't working. Yeah, I wonder why. Yeah, why no working? It's almost like I wasn't firing it or something. There we go. Okay, our custom crappy signal library should be working now. It's very bad, but it will work. I kind of need a default keybind. Is this a cheat? Nah, no, we don't cheat. Nah. Cheating bad. We do not cheat here. Yeah, we don't cheat here. All right, cheating is illegal. Okay, not cheat. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. How am I gonna do this? My head is kind of going. So what I wanted to do was like, I wanted to have like something like this, you know? And then I was gonna have it where in here, when you do set bind, if keys or whatever, yeah, I was gonna do like, yeah, here, and then I was gonna do, local index, or just, if not table.find, vape.active binds component, then we're going to table insert vape.active binds component, and in here we're gonna have this. Yeah. There we go. So now if we register our input handler or something like that, I kind of need to make a default bind though. I need to make like a default thing, but I don't really know where I should put this. How does my default work in here? If props that default here. Okay. Else, if props that default, then component set bind props default. Let's try this because we're just trying to make this actually work right now. So why is this commented out? What was I doing? Cause now if I go into here, into our init, where do we create our bind? I should be able to put like a default key of like G or whatever. And now we're gonna go get our input loop from before, or our input handler, which is in here. And there's a lot of code that we no longer need. That's the thing. Like a lot of this code we don't actually need anymore. So instead of main API, we're just gonna do vape, and then input object can just be input. Maybe I could keep held keybinds, right? Base A, B, C, D, F, G, H. Because we still need held keybinds. That can stay. But now... Yeah, what I'll probably be doing is, yeah, base A, B, C. Check keybinds can exist, don't even use that here. But now what we're able to do is, in check keybinds and our input loop, instead of doing this, what we can do, sure, just gotta put that there, okay. Now, but what we're able to do now is we're just gonna able to do for IV in bind in vape.active binds do, and we just do if check keybinds this, and then we just do v.keys or bind.keys, and then we do input.keycode.name. Then we can just do bind.toggled or vi.triggered. Fire. And now we can just remove all this code. We don't need it anymore. And now we could do, we're gonna fire with true. And then, I could do, in here. If vape.binding, we want to return this. Else we can go in here, and then we could do, bind.mode equals, hold? Or what was it? It was like, I forgot what it was. It was like bind.hold or something. Oh yeah, it was bind.hold. If bind.hold and check keybinds, then we can do false. There we go, we have our own input loop now. Where, let's see if this works. Oh, wait a second. Oh no. How am I gonna do this? This isn't gonna work, actually. Wait, how does this code work? Oh, actually, no, maybe this code will work. Never mind. But yeah, it's basically like this now. And now we can do, in our init, we can do, local GUI bind, or, I don't know, vape.gui bind. Sure, and then we could just do vape clean, vape.gui bind triggered, and we could just do click GUI.visible equals not click GUI.visible. And if I've written all this code correctly, we should have our new binding system, which is much better managed than what I had before. Ah, piss. Concat missing. Oh, tab doesn't exist. Bind tab. Yeah, this got renamed to keys. Yeah, sorry about that, Chief. Okay. A new bind system, please work. I beg. And okay. I mean, it works. Our bind is now G, and I can remove my bind, but now I can't do anything. Oh wait, oh, binding just works. Oh. There we go. I mean, I guess that's it. I didn't have to change anything else. And it should support hold binding, but I don't really have that implemented yet. I mean, it shouldn't be too hard, but like I could just check if left shift is pressed when you click on the button, then it will change to hold binding. And it's a supported thing, but yeah, that's the new binding system. Now, I technically don't have binds configured for toggling modules yet, so let's do that now. Because all I have to do is just go to, where did I create my bind? Component.bind. Where is bind set though? Bind equals, what? This is a module. How? Bind isn't assigned in here. How? Wait, what? Oh, okay. Yeah. I don't really have connections for these yet, but I will need to make connections for this because this is a custom signal, which I will have to do at some point. But yeah, now I'm just able to do, we're just gonna put it in here for now. Key is down, and then we do, if is down, then, and, oh no, how am I gonna do this? If is down, if bind that hold, then, if, component dot enabled does not equal is down, then, and we're just gonna do component toggle. If bind dot hold, then, else, we're just going to put this in. And then we need notifs, but I don't need that for now. So now we should have binding for that. Yes. Yeah, okay. So now I could bind this, and I probably could test hold binding, but yeah, I have hold binding in now. I just need to make it where bind, where's bind? We can just do if not props, else I could do if props, if vape.binding, then whatever. If props and input service is key down, I think it was. Something like that, I think. I forgot what it was. It was like is key down or something. What was it? It is key down, okay. Yeah, we could just do that. If props then is key down, then, or no, if not props and is key down, then if not props and is key down, then component dot hold equals not component dot hold. There we go. And I need to make a thing so where okay. So now if I bind this to H and click on this, there we go, we have hold binding. Key down, key up. There you go. You got your hold binding. Hold binding for the plebs who wanted that. I mean, I still need like the bar under to say, oh, hold binding's enabled, but yeah, I'll probably do that sometime else. But yep, we have hold binding now for the people who wanted that. And now I need to like make my defaults suck less. So because I need to add one more feature into bind to make this fully functional. I need to make it where like if it tries to bind but there's a default key, it will just reset to default. So where am I doing this? Init. So this will be right shift, and then where can I? No remove. When you gonna be done? Like you think GUI development is done that fast, man? So now I could go into bind and do if props. I could do if hashtag props, if props then props dot no remove and hashtag keys. Okay. If props and props dot no remove and hashtag keys is I need mobile binding still, but yeah, I'm just gonna do it like this. If n keys is smaller than 0, then keys equals props default. There we go. Or, I don't know. Nah, I'm just gonna do it like that. There we go. So it shouldn't allow whatever to get removed now. So if you try and remove the GUI binding, it should just So if I try and remove it, yeah, it just turns back to right shift. Okay, you can't remove it anymore. There you go. So we have binds created now. Our new binding behavior is almost completed, and now I need to figure out how I'm gonna do the destroy behavior. Yeah, I should probably make this also, hmm. So I'm probably gonna make a destroy thing in here called like function component destroy. And we're just gonna do that. So when module gets called with destroy, function component destroy, then we can just call component.bind destroy. And mm, mm, now we have to make our remove method again. And then we need to do, we're just gonna copy paste. I kinda need loop clean back, but yeah. We're just gonna do, container? Then component equals container. And we do if component dot destroy, then and component destroy. And I guess I need to loop clean back. Get table size, loop clean, obj, index, value, obj index. No. We have introduced the loop clean back into our pipeline. So I don't know if it'll work, but we could try. I mean, this won't work because I don't have self.legit back, but we'll need to add that later. But yeah. Okay, vape remove API.name. Cool. Alright. So, we have more stuff working. I'm probably gonna have to undo the blur back to the old blur because I have noticed some issues with it. So, we're going back to old blur again. Okay, there we go. Old blur is back. Let's hope I coded everything correctly, please. Oh no. Oh, this is main API. It doesn't exist anymore. What am I doing? Okay. Go. No. What? Oh. How'd my whoop queen not work? Oh, I see. There we go. Alright. Should work now. Thank you. Oh no. What? What did I do wrong? Why is it die? Why is it broke? Why did it try and remove the... What? What is it removing? Why are you doing this? Why is my combat thing removed? Oh, it's probably because the category. Yeah. Because the category and the name had a conflict. Wait, how? Oh, I see. I'm a bit stupid. Yeah, I wonder why my code don't work, buddy. No, why did it not work, man? Yeah, there we go. That's working a bit better. Now I need to make cleanup for every single module. Which, yeah. I cannot spell destroy. Oh, this physically cannot be removed. Hmm. Do, 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 do. Just making sure everything has this. Yeah, button, module children. Slider. Targets. Then I have to delete target window. Mm-hmm. Honestly, I want to undo to my old code. I'm gonna undo to my old code. Hmm. Yeah, okay, and all the other stuff. I didn't put the new behavior in. Okay, cool. There we go. Alright. So if the component has a destroy function, then it will call it, else it'll just do that. So that should work now. Alright, what do I need to do now? We could try creating overlays. I could also add back update GUI color, just for testing. We just paste this back in here. I don't really have these, so we can get rid of these. That's fine. Alright, I have to do it like that. Here we go. What is I used for? Yeah, because I'm pretty sure that's like the only one that really has a thing for it. Okay. So now we have to search up all of update GUI. Or just update GUI usages. Okay, it's here. And in it we need, because it is used, where is it used? Right here. There we go. And now should be able to oh, it's complaining. Whoopsie. Ah, all of these. There we go. Go. No, vape logo does not exist. Category the object. Temp index nil, so I guess I just never set this to have an object. Create GUI. Where did I set? Did I never set the object in here? I swear I did. Apparently not. When did I miss that? Why is the object missing? Ah, it's right there. So yeah, settings pane. There we go. Okay. Alright, go. Well, it actually loaded some stuff now. Kinda. It hated that though. Blend the options. Oh, I renamed it to module. That's why. Module. The options. Oops. Oh. Okay. Module the options? Sure. And I'm pretty sure in the module, create module, like when it was toggled or something, where was it? Oh, it calls update text GUI if not multiple, but the thing is update text GUI would just call update GUI, but I don't really have that. So it don't really work, but you know, who cares about that? Oh, I forgot to put in the new build. Silly me. Yeah, I need to update set color. Is that divider visible when it's not supposed to be? Why is it visible when it's not supposed to be? What is it doing? What? It should be visible if it's enabled, not if it's not enabled. What? It's just decided to kill itself on me. Okay. But why? Component dot bind set color, and apparently this is supposed to be it. I have to go back to set color, and then just there we go. Go. Yeah. There we go. That's better. So it's looking more and more like Vape now. No more, no more trash. Of course, there's still no draggables, and the GUI is a bit, messed up, but... Maybe we should try and create overlays now, the overlay bar, because we have, like, most of the stuff in a working state, per se. Wonder if this works. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh. Why is it doing that? uh. Oh no. That ain't working. Okay. But if I enable multi-binding, it does GGH. Not working. Oh, I know why. I know why. Okay. I was a bit sped when I made that code. Yeah, fair enough. I know why. What's going on here? It's this. Uh... There we go. Okay, I fixed it. Whoopsie. Yeah, I wonder why it didn't work, guys. Hmm. Eh. Okay, so what if I make it a hold bind? I mean, it works. It works. Hold binding works with multi-binding. Why not? There you go. Now these won't work because these don't exist yet. We got more. We should try and get overlays in this biz now. Now the thing is, I am going to like cry when I have to implement saving because like I have to manage all the new logic, which might take a while, but I need the overlay bar. Like that component or whatever. Create overlay bar. Oh, and these are like custom toggles. Oh, right, I remember now. I hate this code. Mm. Doot 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 doot. Doot 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 doot. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. So let's try and create the overlay bar now. Should be as simple as going to the GUI. It was at the end of targets where I put this. Let's try that. Come on. There we go. Now Vape doesn't look weird anymore. I mean, other than the non-updated color. We have the button now. So it looks a bit less dumb. Oh. I'm old. Hello, fish. Fishy. Fishy fish. I guess I should port over the GUI color slider now. I don't know where, GUI color. How do I create, GUI color equals create GUI slider. So, yeah, I guess GUI slider.lua. Now we must copy paste all of this code and try to port over all the new stuff. Which might take a good long while. Because a lot of this is like old, very old. Mm-hmm. Probably have to clean up some of this code, but for now we're just gonna paste this. I definitely gotta redo the rainbow logic though. Rain. That is the wrong slider. Where's color slider? This one. Okay, let's see. Um. In it. There we go. Alright. Slop it in. I don't know if it'll work. I don't think it will, actually. I think it'll try and parent to somewhere else, yeah. Oh wait, no, it's just that. Okay. First thing to fix thing. Oh wait. No, actually that seems to be designed correctly. Go. Well, it didn't error, but yeah, it didn't parent to the right place. I know why. Parent is children. There we go. We should have our GUI color slider back now. I mean, yeah, we have it back. Oh, that don't work. Okay. Where'd my rainbow go? Hello? I don't know where my rainbow button went. Whoops. Rainbow? Well, I don't care about that. Why is this not visible? Oh, wait. Oh, it's just called slider. Ah, of course. My favorite. Why is it called slider? Okay. Oh, there we go. Alright, Well, that doesn't work. Yeah, because the rainbow table doesn't exist anymore. I need to put in the rainbow table. Easy. Now that we have our rainbow table back, I could also put this at the end. Whoops, that's not gonna work. Alright, go. Oh, attempt to iterate over a nil value. What do you mean? Oh. I modified the wrong thing. Wait. There we go. Go. Come on. Go. Alright. There we go. Alright. We got our stuff working. And if I do rainbow mode retro, then yeah, it turns into that. Yep, that seems to be working right now. There you go. We got stuff working. Not entirely sure what I want to do now. I could work on cleaning all of these up. I'm just looking at what I can clean up per se. To make this code a bit less AIDS. Okay, I could probably port over the new behavior. Okay. Alright. Yeah. There we go. Alright, we cleaned it up a bit. Alright. That doesn't work. What? I broke it. No. What did I do wrong? That was a value box. Value box is now a custom box. Get out of here. Custom box. It's like the same crap. There we go. Alright. There we go. System be working now. No more of that trash. We got the new binding system. We do need to configure hold binds and maybe work on overlays. We're getting closer and closer by the day as I slowly rework everything into the new base. I don't know if this base is larger or shorter. Like, it is shorter probably in some ways, but I wonder how it compares, because I'm pretty sure like my old base was like 7K or something. You just have everything shoved in the components table now. Like the actual GUI code is very minimal, except the low GUI, but like if you collapse these, this is like only 3 functions, and of course you have this. Probably remove the woot print. Woot. Yeah, I can remove that. Really wanted to make a better signal library, but I can't really. What people use Vape for? I don't know. Well, it must be the wind. You should probably work on the overlay bar and stop being lazy. Create overlay bar. Collapse this. There we go. Let's see if I can actually open up the window now. Nope, it died. Oh, get custom asset. Okay, go. Yep. Wow, that looks dumb. Where's the corner? I mean, it kind of works, but the corner's missing on the button. So it looks a bit stupid. My corner. I just forget to add corner to button? Oh, I did. There we go. I'll probably call it like image toggle or something in order to handle this properly. But there we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna create like image toggle. That's what I'm gonna call it. Not this. Create overlay bar, and yeah, create toggle. Where is it? Overlay bar. Here it is. We're just gonna slap that in. We're just gonna props create. There we go. So now we should be able to create basic toggles in the overlay bar, but we don't want that. We want call it like overlay toggle, but I'm gonna call it image toggle because technically it has more support than just that. Yeah. I mean, I could do that. Ah, I'm gonna toggles. Okay. How am I gonna do this? I want to test it out, but I don't know how I'm gonna test this out. Here we go. And in it, create overlay bar. And we're just gonna do vape.overlays, create toggle. Create image toggle. Name equals Ben, size equals. Create overlay. I'm just gonna paste this, to be honest. Just for testing. There we go. Okay, go. Oh. And error, nice. Oh, I see. I see why you don't like it. There you go. I have so much crap open now. Okay, go. I mean, it's there. Obviously, it's not happy, but like, we got the toggle now. I really need to add back the close button. What is this? Props.function doesn't exist. Ah, that makes sense. So what is 3389? Oh, it's indexing main API, that's why. Yeah, we're just gonna fix the reference for now. I'll probably clean it up later, but yeah. And of course, there is no function to handle it, which, yeah. Hi, I've been using a safe instance script for copying a game map. Are you aware of any scripts that could actually get the local scripts? What do you mean? You need an executor to dump the byte code, and then you just run it through whatever decompiler. I don't know. Anyway, I think I might be done for now. I have been hard working at chipping away everything. That I think I might just take a break for now. So, yeah, I'll probably see you all later. Have a good one. Bye.